Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss projection areas and corresponding areas. The projection areas. On the front of the body, the projection area on the chest and abdomen corresponds to all inner organs underneath. Here we can see the projection area of the stomach and the small intestine. The projection area of the lungs is here. The projection area of the liver and the gallbladder is here. Here, the projection area of the large and the small intestines. The projection area of the spleen and stomach is here. The sketch maps of the projection areas over the chest and the abdomen. You can see here the projection area on the kidneys and the bladder. The projection area of the ribs and the liver is here. The projection area of the pancreas is here. And the projection area of the spleen and the heart is here. Here is the projection area of the uterus and ovaries. For corresponding areas, the corresponding areas are the body surface on the back and waist corresponding to inner organs underneath, mostly in the spine areas on the back. Here is the corresponding area of the head on the spine. The corresponding area of the lungs is here. The corresponding area of the kidneys is here. The corresponding area of the large intestine is here. Next is the corresponding area of the heart is here. And the corresponding area of the stomach and the small intestine is here. Here is the corresponding area of the spleen and the stomach. And the corresponding area of the liver and the gallbladder is here. We can see here the corresponding area of the pancreas and the corresponding area of the kidneys and the bladder and the corresponding area of the mammary glands is here. Thank you for your attention.